A drone descends through dense forest, revealing the silhouette of a forgotten hypercar in a hidden clearing.
Navigating thorny bushes and tangled roofs, the forgotten Bugatti emerges from the dense forest.
An extreme close-up reveals corroded carbon fiber, peeling paint, and tenacious moss on the forgotten hypercar.
Gloved hands struggle to pry open the Bugatti's seized, rusted driver's side door. A mechanic's flashlight reveals severe structural damage, a jagged crack in the Bugatti's corroded chassis.
A tow truck prepares for extraction, heavy-duty chains surrounding the dilapidated Bugatti in the dense forest.
The muddy Bugatti is carefully rolled into a pristine workshop, signaling a new beginning.
A high-pressure water jet blasts away decades of grime, revealing the Bugatti's original carbon fiber.
Sparks fly as a mechanic struggles with an impact wrench to remove a deeply rusted lug nut.
Gloved hands meticulously remove corroded brake caliper bolts, revealing extensive damage.
An engine hoist lifts the Bugatti's massive, corroded suspension assembly from the chassis.
Gloved hands methodically cut away tangled, brittle wiring from the Bugatti's corroded engine bay.
Careful, this is heavier than it looks.
Gloved hands meticulously unbolt the Bugatti's steering wheel, preserving delicate components. Gloved hands methodically remove a lightweight carbon fiber fender, exposing the corroded chassis. A montage of extreme close-ups reveals the Bugatti's severe, hidden chassis corrosion.
A mechanic inspects the Bugatti's stripped chassis, revealing a critical structural crack.
All Bugatti components are meticulously organized on a pristine white floor, revealing the overwhelming scale.
Verifying the original numbers is crucial.
A crane gracefully lifts the Bugatti's lightweight carbon fiber body shell, revealing the bare chassis. A mechanic sandblasts a corroded engine bracket, transforming rust into clean silver metal.
High-temperature steam blasts intricate engine crevices, dislodging stubborn oil and carbon deposits.
Gloved hands meticulously wipe away decades of oil and grease from a suspension component.
Freshly cleaned engine components hang in heated drying racks, steam gently rising.
A precision honing machine creates a perfect crosshatch pattern inside a Bugatti cylinder bore.
Gloved hands polish the Bugatti's massive crankshaft on a lathe, achieving a mirror finish. Gloved hands meticulously remove piston rings
and scrape carbon deposits from a heavily soiled piston.
A precision milling machine shaves a minuscule layer from the Bugatti's cylinder head, creating a perfectly flat surface.
Gloved hands meticulously lap a valve to its seat with grinding compound, creating a perfect seal.
These bearings are critical for smooth operation. Preparation is key for a perfect finish.
Freshly painted Bugatti engine components cure under warm heat lamps, radiating perfection.
The Bugatti's chassis passes through a sandblasting booth, transforming rust to bare metal.
An angle grinder aggressively cuts away corroded metal from the Bugatti's chassis, sparks flying. Gloved hands meticulously weld a new metal patch onto the Bugatti's chassis, showering sparks.
A mechanic grinds a fresh weld seam smooth, sparks flying, achieving seamless repair.
This first coat is vital for protection.
The Bugatti chassis gleams with new paint, suspended in a pristine paint booth, radiating perfection.
Gloved hands meticulously shape a Bugatti body panel on an English wheel, demonstrating craftsmanship.
Gloved hands meticulously adjust panel gaps on the freshly painted Bugatti, achieving perfect alignment.
Gloved hands meticulously apply brushable seam sealer to the Bugatti's chassis joints, creating protection.
Gloved hands meticulously hand-stitch new leather onto the Bugatti's steering wheel, showcasing artistry. Gloved hands meticulously lower the restored Bugatti engine block onto its stand, beginning assembly.
Gloved hands precisely insert a piston with new rings into the Bugatti cylinder bore, a delicate process.
Perfect alignment is essential here.
Secure fit is paramount for performance.
Gloved hands meticulously connect a complex wiring harness to the Bugatti engine, each click precise.
Gloved hands meticulously route new fuel lines through the Bugatti chassis, ensuring fluid precision.
No leaks, perfect seal.
Gloved hands carefully lower the fully assembled Bugatti engine and transmission into the chassis. Gloved hands meticulously install the Bugatti's dashboard into the restored interior, a complex integration.
Almost ready for its big moment.
The restored Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo stands triumphantly in a scenic open-air setting.